Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, Karen Norwood Travel. And we're going to check out some of the trails and some of the parks, just see what we can get into. The first thing you see when you come into Richard B. Russell State Park is their welcome center, which some of these state parks have the prettiest welcome centers. They have a lot of different things that you might need. Richard B. Russell State Park also has this cute little beach area that you can go to. Now, they do warn there are no lifeguards, so you do swim at your own risk, but it's a really cute little area, and they do have some buildings close by that I would imagine have concession stands and stuff like that. So really nice to have that included in the park. Another great addition to this park is they had several picnic pavilions that are on the lake. You can use those for, meetings or family gatherings or even weddings and things like that. So it says that their seating capacity is about 150, and there are restrooms and a commercial kitchen, fireplace, and a separate barbecue shelter are close by to that. They also have a golf course here. It's an 18-hole par 72 course. You can see the lake from the golf course, and then they have a pro shop, a clubhouse, and a driving range also at the campground. Richard B. Russell State Park has about 28 tent and trailer campsites, which is one of the smaller ones than what we've seen recently. All of their campsites are on the water, and they have electrical hookups, cable TV, and Wi-Fi, which the Wi-Fi part is a little unusual at some of these parks as well. They also have several hiking trails throughout the campground. Like there's one that goes around the beach to the group shelter. Then they have a couple that connect like the cottages, the beach, and the campground so that you can move around the campground without ever getting in your car. And they do have a separate map they can give you that shows all the trails that are within the campground. This campground has it all. They have 20 rental cottages that have cooking facilities, utensils, towels, linens. They all have electric heat and air, TV, Wi-Fi, and fireplaces. And then they also have dishwashers and allow dogs in some of them, which again, as I've said previously, that is kind of rare. Headed home now. Gonna see what else we can get into. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know this is a little channel, but we're gonna make it grow and have fun making all these camping videos and some low budget vacations that everybody can enjoy. So I'll catch you on the next hike.